You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments.
Okay, so we're in our Volvo XC90, and this little message has been bothering me quite a bit. See, we've got this message here coming on. Time for regular maintenance right there, and it's been really annoying me. Okay, getting a couple of shots here of exactly what we're going to be doing. As you can see, there's position 1. You can see 1, 2, and 3 right there, the Volvo ignition. And you can kind of see how those are Roman numerals. The other part we're going to be getting into is right here. We've got the mileage odometer reset button, and you can just push it in. So how do we fix it? Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn our key over here to position 1. So we're in 1. Now we're going to hold this button and we're going to move it to position 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's blinking. We're going to let our finger off within 4 seconds, and that resets the light, and we're good to go. Now all we got to do is go back to off position. We're going to wait 3 minutes for it, and that should reset it all the way. So basically the main point is once it starts blinking, you release the odometer reset button there, and that's what's going to reset it. So we should be good to go now. We're going to test it in just a second here. Okay, so we've waited about our 3-minute timeline, and we're going to see if this very frustrating reset process has actually worked for us. Let's go ahead and turn it. We're going to go ahead and put our foot on the brake, crank it. Now that we're cranking, we should have our regular maintenance light off now, and it is not popping up, so it looks like we are all good, and I think we're in good shape. No messages, so that's good news, and that is how you do that. So easy one, and for sure I'll have to remember that for next time, but glad I got it figured out here, and glad to have a video to show some other people in case it's frustrating you. Thanks for watching DIYNate, and have a great day.
If you enjoyed this video, here are a couple more YouTube things you might like. Thanks again for watching.